Okay, I want to show you today a really easy and simple HTML5 animation. So what I'm using for this is the tool called, or program called Hype. You can get that in the Mac App Store. It's actually a 14-day trial I'm using here, but you can buy it anyway. So it's a really nice application, very easy to use, and actually customizable, and it's really Apple-like. If you use the Apple applications, you will notice a lot of, same things. And again, it's really easy to use. You don't need to have knowledge of coding. Although, if you're just making a banner, it doesn't replace you, copy pasting the code. But really, that's not a lot to do. And making a website without coding something is almost impossible, unless using an editor. So I'll just show you a little animation. If you want to, you can make, of course, a whole website through this thing. But I'll just make a little website banner. So if you go here to document size, you can have default sizes. Like this is the default 1600 by 400. This is web devices. As you can see, it's got a lot of support actually to make it, an iPhone-like website or a mobile website. You can have it here, iPad, iPhone, a lot of stuff to look at, but I'll just do my own one. I'll just do 800 by 100, and that's like a website banner, the perfect thing for a website banner. So let's actually do something in here. You can do a box, and this is the thing you can actually animate then. And this uses the whole Mac shortcuts as well, so you can hold on Option and it will resize it. It's really handy. And well, so let's give this a little color. If we go here, there, to background, you can have color, image, or gradient. The best looks, I believe, a gradient. I'll just do from black to, yeah, let's do that one, silver. And let's do a little text and call it hi. And let's do a little customization here, make it a little bigger. These whole fonts, they're all available on any browser in the world, so you don't need to care about that stuff. Let's actually make this like this here and put it in the middle here. Let's give it a little color just for fun. Doesn't look very professional, but again, it's just a really simple animation. So let's actually animate something. So let's say I want to change the opacity. Where is it? No. Gosh, never remember that stuff. Oh, here it is. And yeah, I don't know a lot of stuff this can do, and you can learn so much. And if I want to show every detail, I would sit there a couple of years. So you need to really figure out a lot of stuff. It's just so customizable. So let's actually change the opacity. I'm gonna change it first to 0. And now we're getting into animating. I'll just Command R or this record button here. And then I'll set it to whatever, 2 seconds or 2 seconds 50. Or just 3 seconds, just doesn't care anymore. Then we're gonna set it to 100%. And hit Command R or click this button again. And it's done. So this will look like that when you're viewing the website. So you can do that same with the text, of course. You can see there. You can do so much stuff. I'll just leave it here, but you can do so much like blur and saturate. It's really, really good customizable application. So if you click here, preview, you can preview it like you might is with the Opera. Like here. I closed it. But it looks like that. Nice little animation. Just see it one more time to get an idea. So of course you need an HTML5 capable browser, because without an HTML5 capable browser you're not going anywhere. If you try it on a non-HTML5 browser, it will kind of work or just get stuck or so. So you really need a good browser for that. But all modern browsers should actually work with this. So I can now do a button if you want to. And I will call it link to whatever, YouTube. Let's set it here. Just make this a little different style here, a little bigger. So, this is really nice. You see normal, hover, and pressed. So when you have it normal, let's say when you're not moving the mouse over it, yeah, we're gonna do, although this will look crap, I'll just demonstrate to you. It's gonna be red. This is not gonna look good, but it's just gonna be a little informative. So when I now do hover, I'm gonna set it to blue. And when it's pressed, I'll do a little gradient. So let's see how that looks like. But first, we should go into, oh damn it, where the hell is that? Alright, if you go here to this thing, mouse action inspector, and if you go on mouse click, and you click here, then you click action, you can do so much stuff. You can like compose an email, go to URL, start a timeline. It's really, really awesome. So I just do go to URL and do www.youtube.com, and I'm gonna open it up in a new window just for fun. Let's actually see how that looks like. First we see a little animation. When I go over the button, it shows me a little blue, and when I click it, oh, I deleted the first, the last thing, the gradient. Wait, let me check that. What the heck? I couldn't see that anymore, I guess. Oh damn it, just take one color just to demonstrate it. Just do the non one. Let's try it again. Okay. That was an epic fail now, but as you can see it kind of works here. I don't know why it didn't now, but alright. That wasn't fail. Whatever, you get the point. It's really a nice program. It just feels like now I can't really stand. Well, anyway, as I told you, a really nice program. You can do so much stuff with it. Really, really customizable. Can't say that enough. And yeah, you can do so much stuff with it. I can't show you all that stuff, but I hope you kind of got an idea what I mean. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.